Good morning students. In today's class we are going to see about problems based on combinations, that too from the exercise 2. So basically we will cover only the problems now, problems based on nCr. What is basically nCr formula, nCr minus 1 formulas and its relation, greatest value, least value, largest term, greatest term and all. So first, before getting into that, we'll recall what are the basic formulas we needed. Okay, to first is nCr formula, or sometimes it is denoted by n and r, n factorial by r factorial by n minus r factorial. So here your r should be greater than or equals to 0 and less than or equals to n, and both n cannot be negative also. So next is very important formula, nCr and nCr minus 1. When the top powers are same and base are consecutive, you will have n plus 1 Cr you will have. That means increment to the power and the base whichever higher you will retain. And the next is relation between nCr and nPr. nCr into r factorial is nPr. Very important one. Or you can denote like nPr divided by r factorial equals to nCr. Next is when you have nCr and nCn minus r, these both are equal. Example, 10C3 and 10C7 are equal, 12C5 and 12C7 are equal. So next we come to the case nCr and nCr minus 1. Powers are same, base are consecutive. Under previous case we saw for addition. Okay, this one is for addition. Now we will look into the case when they both are under division. What will happen? N factorial by r factorial by n minus r factorial divided by n factorial by r minus 1 factorial by n minus r plus 1 factorial. So n factorial cancel, r minus 1 factorial, r factorial cancel, or you can at last step alone, if you put denominator goes to numerator, r minus 1 factorial into n minus r plus 1 factorial divided by r factorial n minus r factorial. So when you expand this, denominator r is more than the r factorial, so r into r minus 1 factorial we can write. In numerator, this n minus r plus 1 is bigger, so if we expand that, we will get this and this cancel, this and this cancel. Finally what we can say is nCr by nCr minus 1 equals to n minus r plus 1 by r. Important results, note down. So next also similarly there are other cases. What is nCr? Denominator is nCr plus 1 category, means r plus 1 divided by n minus r, and nCr n minus 1 Cr minus 1 means new powers also reduced by 1, base also reduced by 1, means n by r. nCr minus 1 n minus 1 r minus 1, powers reduced, base is same, means n by n minus r plus 1. Same like the previous one, you can also derive all these formulas. So next thing is when you have nC0 to nC1 till nC2 till nCn, if you take it is 2 power n, and if you take any one of the till odd numbers only, nC0 and nC2 and nC4, like that till last even number, it will be 2 power n minus 1. Same thing nC1 onwards, nC3, nC5 till last number if you take, that is also 2 power n minus 1. So greatest number and smallest number. greatest number value, okay, greatest value in nCr is n by 2 when n is even number. If you have n is even number, now you just simply divide by 2, it will give you the greatest value. If n is your odd number, divide by plus 1 by 2 or minus 1 by 2. So either nc n minus 1 by 2 or nc n plus 1 by 2. I think these were the formulas. Okay, enough, I think so. So this is the formulas.